Your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. A very good morning to everyone present here. I take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Captain Gopinath Dayalan Sir, along with our correspondent Vijayashanti Ma'am, Principal Ms. Mabin Helen Hemalata Ma'am, our Chief Guest for the day, Mr. Sudhakar Joshi Sir, Cluster Head, Mount Litra Z Schools, South and West Zone, respected teachers, and my dear children for the Investiture Ceremony 2021 of MLZS. Investiture means the formal investing of a person with authority, power, right, office, and dignity. It's rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Investiture ceremony is a prestigious event in every school calendar where school formally entrusts responsibilities on the young leaders to discharge their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by rules and regulations of the school. Through this ceremony, the young leaders not only learn to guide others but also create models in leadership for others to emulate. God's love is constant, no matter what the season. It's a beautiful emotion that keeps life sparing on earth in action. I now request everyone to get ready for the prayer. So before we begin with prayer, please be on mute, children. I can see somebody. Nivedita, can you please go on mute? Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Prayer sound. Join your hands and close your eyes. Hmm. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे, पैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम न सोचे नहीं क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण, फूल खुशियों की बातें सभी को, सबका जीवन की बन जाए मधुबन, अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. Thank you.
Thank you. I now request everyone to pay respect to our state song Tamil Thai Vazhu.
தித்தனமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிட
திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் வணங்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனே தமிழனே உன் சீரிழமை திறந்தியந்த செயல்மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
I now request everyone to place their right hand on the Z logo and get ready for the Z anthem.
Good morning, everyone. The anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my mind. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Thank you.
Now it's time to catch a glimpse of the past investiture ceremonies, starting from 2018 till date. I consider it a great honor to welcome our chairman, Captain Gopinath Dayalan sir, man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience, and definitely who is an inspiration to all of us to motivate the young leaders of tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our school's investiture ceremony for the academic year 2021 to 22. I take this opportunity to welcome today's chief guest, Mr. Sudhakar Joshi, Cluster Head, Mount Litra Z Schools, South and West Zone of India, Zealand Limited. It is an honor and privilege for us, sir, to have you with us today. I also welcome other dignitaries, correspondent, principal, parents, teachers, students, and other staff members. Today, we have gathered here for our inaugural ceremony for the academic year 2021 to 22. I am sure you will be enriched by the ceremony. I want all our team members and teachers to know how deeply appreciative I am for all the hard work and dedication you all put forth each and every day to ensure consistent and sustainable academic delivery. Because of your incredible due diligence, we have been able to come out with such positive celebrations. I am so excited to see all your faces at this year's investiture ceremony. I am again assuring that we are going to have an amazing year ahead filled with constructive activities and academics on the virtual platform. Investor ceremony is a solemn occasion where all young students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. Investor ceremony signifies the reliance and confidence that the school consigns in the newly invested office bearers. Donning the mantle of accountability, they also pledge to bestow the duties to the best of their abilities. I wish all the very best to our newly elected student council members. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, sir, for motivating the young minds and also our future leaders. Now, with equal pleasure, I would now request our correspondent, Ms. Vijay ma'am, who has been the backbone of our institution, who has dedicated herself towards working towards the connecting young minds to strive towards success and achievement. She is known for her wonderful administration and high achievements of the institution she is in charge of. We request correspondent ma'am to please come forward and address the gathering.
Good morning, one and all present here. It gives me an immense pleasure to address this gathering. I heartily welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sudhakar Joshi sir, and other dignitaries for this ceremony. First, let me congratulate the young leaders of newly formed Student Council of this academic year. Investiture ceremony is the occasion where we as a school respect and acknowledge the upcoming leaders and repose our trust in them. Through this ceremony, students become an integral part of the school's administrative body to inculcate their leadership qualities in students and to give them a first-hand experience of functioning of administrative body. Leaders are not born, but they are made by their experience in life. Students of today are the visionaries and torch bearers of tomorrow. So once again, wishing you all the very best for the happiest day. Have a great year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. I'm extremely privileged to welcome Mr. Sudhakar Joshi sir, who is the cluster head of Mount Litra Z Schools for the region of South and West of India and has been with Zealand Limited for close to 6 years now. He currently has 42 schools in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh under his supervision. He has over 2 decades of professional experience, of which more than a decade and a half has been in the education domain, right from pre-primary after schools to K-12 schools. Sir, I now request you to please address the gathering.
Good morning, all. It's a privilege to be here today. I hope you all are doing safe and are doing well. Last year has been a very difficult year for us in terms of academic delivery. I'm sure the teachers here and the parents have experienced that. But one thing that I would like to reiterate here is that with the help of all the parents, teachers, students, we've managed to actually do well in our academics. We managed to overcome the issues that we had. I think that is a great plus for us. It's been a challenging year and looks like it's going to be a challenging year again. But then again, I think this is what we all come here to learn. And on that note, I mean, to all the office bearers who've been elected, I think these are challenges that we probably will have to face going forward. I congratulate all the office bearers who've been elected for this for the academic year 21-22 and wish you all the very best. We as a company take our safety very seriously, so we're doing all that we can to have a safe learning environment. We'll continue to do that. I request all the parents to ensure that safety for the children is given highest priority and continue to support the academic cause in the schools. Because I think one thing that we have learned is that if we can beat it, if we can do this, we've got to do it as a team. And I thank all the parents who supported us last year, and I do hope we continue to do that this year. On that note, I wish you all a very, very happy academic year 21-22. I'm sure we do some great work this year too. And please stay safe, please stay healthy. My best wishes to all the office bearers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for motivating not just children, but all of us. We need not say anything much about our principal. She is leading the team with her experience and confidence. Needless to say, she is the guide of our institution. I would now request our beloved principal to introduce the Emergent Student Council.
A warm good morning to all of you. I'm really very happy and excited to see all our new student council members, and I'm proud of them too for the hardships, so much of hardships they had to become a leader today. It is not an easy joke. You know, they had to prepare, they had to come up, and all their academic year, the way they have done and proven themselves, all this counts to become a leader. It's not a simple, very easy task to become a leader. That is what I would like to emphasize before I start my presentation of introducing all my student council. The pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. But the leader adjusts the sail. That is where you stand as a leader, my dear students. And I know my students will surely perform that. And welcoming you for this academic year 21-22, I am proudly vesting you as captains and leaders for the smooth upgoing of our institution. And I trust you, and I will see productivity from you. Now let me start by introducing our head girl, Varshini Ramakrishnan. Has a team-oriented personality with excellent communication skills. She always stays at the top when it comes to academics. She is trained as a Bharatanatyam dancer, a basketball player, and is interested in social causes. She is very disciplined and truly believes what Aristotle said. He who comes never learned to obey, but learned to become a good commander. Now moving on to my head boy, Akshay Amarnath. He is a team player and an excellent leader. He is all-round soccer and tennis player. He consistently finds himself in good books of the teachers, and he truly believes what Warren Bennis said. Leadership is a capacity to translate vision into reality. Moving on to our deputy head girl, Joshika Gopinath. Joshika possesses excellent leadership skills. She strongly believes in teamwork. She is a natural speaker who has the capability to convey a strong message in a convincing manner. She is an excellent basketball and table tennis player. She possesses varied interests like dancing, singing, and she is a voracious reader. She is a trained keyboard player and is also known for her out of the box thinking. She aspires to become a leader, and she truly holds on to Henley's words. I am the master of my fate and the captain of my soul. Moving on to the deputy head boy, Avinash. He is focused and disciplined. He has a clear-cut set goals. He is known as a hard worker and is appreciated for his dedication. He excels in academics. He is an artist and he has a painting as his hobby. He is a keyboard player and he truly believes what John Maxwell said. A great leader's courage is to fulfill his vision and his passion, not his position. Now I move on to all our house captains. Sanjita Gopinath, captain of Leonardo da Vinci, Red House. Harshita Hem, captain of Christopher Columbus, Blue House. Tejas Krishna, captain of Mahatma Gandhi, Green House. Niharika B, captain of Albert Einstein, Hello House. My dear house captains, I know that you all have a very good background and that is why you have been elected as a house captain and you will hold on your flag to great heights, cooperating with your house mistress and your team, and you will have the competitive spirit to make your house to win in each and every aspect. And that is why you have been taken up as the leader of your house. Here, I would like to emphasize on 5 A's. Ability to delegate your duties. Accountability to what you have been dedicated to. Your attitude should always be positive. Appreciate each and every one in your team. Be assertive. Sometimes, if you are positive, you will also know when to say no. So if you imbibe these 5 A's in your stream of leadership, you will be a leader. Ability, accountability, attitude, appreciation, be assertive. Thank you. Sometimes, if you are positive, you will also know when.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing the young leaders of MLZS. Now we have reached the most awaited moment of the day. Yes, it's time our young leaders take up charge and swear in to always abide by the rules and regulations of the school and make sure that discipline is maintained.
சிக்னல் ரொம்ப வீக்காக இருக்குமா இங்கே?
And we can eat something.
I am Lakshmi from grade 8. I have been selected as a head girl for this year. Being a head girl plays a key role in the school community, which is a big responsibility. As a head girl, I am responsible to organize the school events along with my school council heading the meeting and explaining rules and regulations to the student that they can understand properly, and lot more. To represent and speak for all the students in MLO status, to support and prepare activities that encourages and motivates in learning, to give key presentation about the school and to talk to the students about the school events, to be involved in assemblies, and to ensure that the council performs duties intelligently. Thank you to all for selecting me as a head girl for this year. I will be true and loyal for this role. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning, Mount Litrans. I'm Akshay Amanath of grade 8 and have been elected as head boy for the school. Before I start, I would like to welcome our new head girl Vashini, deputy head girl Joshika, and our deputy head boy Avinash. Congratulations once again to one and all. For all those who didn't get elected, always remember that there is a next year, so keep on trying and you will succeed. What should you expect from me and what would be my responsibilities for this academic year from your head boy? They are to show leadership to prefects and other students, to be the leader of the team of prefects, to maintain proper order and disciplines, to constantly communicate with the staff members and management of the school, to bring various opportunities to our school and our talented students by conducting various inter-school and intra-school competitions, functions, and other school events. Hope this pandemic gets over soon so we can meet each other in our school campus. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Joshika Gopinath of grade 7 and I feel very proud and honored to be chosen as the deputy head girl for this academic year of the newly formed student council. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to my principal and teachers who inculcated such capabilities in me that I felt confident enough to discharge the duties and responsibilities as a deputy head girl for this prestigious institution. I would also like to thank all the students who trusted me and put their faith in me. Being a student of class 7, it is my responsibility to maintain the school decorum. I am well aware of the fact that being a deputy head girl is an opportunity to represent the school in various platforms and I would feel honored to do that. As the deputy head girl, I would like to do my duties with utmost sincerity and determination to give justice to this badge. Today is the happiest day for me. But at the same time, this badge reminds me that it's not only about being happy, but it's about accomplishing duties given to me, which I ought to do. At last, I promise you that I will work hard with all the zeal, devotion, and determination. Let's take our school to greater heights of success. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Avinash V, duly elected as your representative as a deputy head boy. Do hereby thankful and grateful to all who participated in this democratic electoral process. I assure and affirm that I will do my duty with absolute honesty and integrity. I say that I add best to my knowledge and belief and work for the fellow students in all spheres and dimensions. I will be the bridge between our students, teachers, respectable principal ma'am and our management. I also assure that I follow the instructions assigned by our concerned teachers and our respectable principal ma'am. Let's all work together and excel in education for our holistic development. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai MLZS.
Swearing in by the House Captains, Shweta ma'am.
Good morning, teachers and students.
I am G. Sanjita Gopinath of grade 6, and I am very proud and honored to be chosen as the school captain for this new academic year. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to my beloved principal, teachers, and my fellow students who inculcated such capabilities in me that I feel very confident to be able to discharge my duties and responsibilities as a school captain to this prestigious institution. At last, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the vision and mission of our school. I promise to work hard with all the zeal, devotion, and determination. And once again, I thank each one of you for showing your trust in me. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Harshita from grade 6. Past 2 years, I'm studying in this school. Earlier, I used to be the vice captain for Christopher Columbus House. Now I become the captain of Christopher Columbus House. I will work wholeheartedly. I am a respectful and strong leader. I will organize regular house meetings to communicate and clarify the rules and proceeds to follow in each inter-house events. I will ensure all students to participate in at least one event during the inter-house day. I will act as a link between house teacher and house members and help in the selection of students to respect house in the various events. I will motivate and encourage all the students to participate in events. I will do my best as a house captain. Thank you everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi everyone, I am Tejas Krishna Chanchu. I am grade 6 student in Embeltheta School. Respectable principal and all teachers, thank you for electing me as a house captain for Greenhouse. As a house captain, I lead and support my house members in a variety way of competitions. I will work together with my house members and teachers to provide ideas, and I will support competitions and house-related activities. I will also help to organize house regular meetings and lead them. We will collaboratively work and we will win together. Thank you.
Good morning, principal, correspondents and teachers. I am Niharika, studying in grade 6. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for selecting me as a Yellow House captain. My hobbies are playing badminton, skating, chess and swimming. After the corona gets over, I will be joining to badminton coaching. I am also learning mandala and dot mandala art. I am practicing yoga with my mother's guidance. I want to be an astronaut. I will ensure that I will do all the duties given by the school. For example, I will help in arranging morning assemblies. I will represent the school at events. I will take care of house events and competitions. I will be a good public speaker and also a good role model for other students. I will help in organize and lead regular house meetings. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, leaders. We now have our young and energetic leaders to pledge their oath as we commence the investiture ceremony 21-22. Students, dear leaders, I now repeat you to, after the principal ma'am. Please repeat after principal ma'am.
Can we take our oath?
We,
the ever persevering leaders of MLZS,
the ever persevering leaders of MLZS,
solemnly swear that we will diligently execute
that we will diligently execute
all our duties
all our duties
to the very best of our abilities.
to the very best of our abilities.
We will proudly and courageously uphold
We will proudly and courageously uphold
to promote and support
and support
the ideas and activities of our school.
the ideas and activities of our school.
We swear with honesty and integrity
We swear with honesty and integrity
to be positive school leaders.
to be positive school leaders.
We will tirelessly strive
strive
to uphold the top-notch eminence of our institution.
top-notch eminence of our institution.
We promise
We promise
to live up
to live up
to the core ideals of the school
to the core ideals of the school
by faithfully fulfilling
by faithfully fulfilling
the duties and tasks entrusted to us.
and tasks trusted to us.
We shall respect and abide
We shall respect and abide
by the rules and regulations of the school
by the rules and regulations of the school
and do our very best
and do our very best
to bring honor and eternal goodwill to our school.
and eternal goodwill to our school.
Thank you.
Principal ma'am. Thank you, student council members. Coming up next, we have our house mistresses swearing in with the vision to cultivate leadership, create a positive school culture, and provide the students with an opportunity to identify and enhance their talents. Shweta ma'am.
Hello everyone, I am Rina Sampson, the house mistress of Christopher Columbus House, which is represented by blue color. The color blue symbolizes stability and loyalty. Christopher Columbus is one of the best known explorers. He had a strong courage and powerful and conviction to pursue his dreams against all odds with a strong sense of perseverance. So, emulating the characteristics of the great Christopher Columbus, I, Rina Sampson, the house mistress of Christopher Columbus House, agree to undertake and solemnly carry out all the responsibilities and duties that ensure the welfare of my house. I'll uplift the boast and confidence of my house wherever and whenever required. We, as one strong united front, will shine bright at all times, promoting healthy competitions and disseminating thoughts of weakness and doubts on the go. We as a team always remember to play fair and by the rules, to stay strong and focus in the face of adversity, to be passionate about the things we do, and to be relentless in our pursuit of excellence. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our Deputy House Mistress, Mrs. Kanimuri, and the House Captain, Ms. Harshita. Together as a team, they will enthrall and stun everyone with our resilient display of academic and athletic vigor in the upcoming year. I wish you all a successful and morale-boosting year ahead. Thank you.
A glowing morning to one and all. I am Bhagyalakshmi. I am handling mathematics for primary students for the past 12 years. I wish to create a pleasant thought about the mathematics in the young minds. I am very glad to be the house mistress of LOT, which is named after the great scientist Albert Einstein. Yellow is the color associated with happiness, positive energy, sunshine, and it has the ability to develop good thinking skill and quick decision making. A few words about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, a thoughtful person, a Nobel Prize winner who is very important in the field of science. We have valuable learnings from his life. They are: follow your curiosity. Perseverance is priceless. Learn from mistakes. Create value. Knowledge comes from experience. Learn the roles and then play better. The imagination is powerful. I feel privileged to lead the team of future Albert Einsteins. We have different sports houses to enhance our team spirit and individuality, to explore our abilities, to encourage the competitive attitude, and to develop positive ambitions towards a higher goal. I am here as the house mistress along with Deputy House Mistress Ms. Preeti Bharati, House Captain Niharika, and member teachers Ms. Hemalata, Ms. Pavitra, Ms. Poonamza, Ms. Radhika Menon, Ms. Siddhika, Ms. Santashili, and Ms. Swarna to help you all and to ensure that these practices are followed by every one of us. Come on, children, let us join our hands and go forward with full of confidence. Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Rekha, and I welcome everyone on behalf of the Red House named after the great artist of the Renaissance period, Leonardo da Vinci. The main aim of our house system is to be ethical and build a positive society. As the house mistress, I plan to work together with my esteemed colleagues and students belonging to this house as one big unit. I would like to introduce my house members. My deputy house mistress is Ms. Maria Shirley, and my team members are Ms. Kamini Rajesh, Ms. Maimunisha, Ms. Sudha Geeti, Ms. Pratyusha, Ms. Kubararasi, Ms. Depaparna, Ms. Zeenath, and Ms. Vidu. We would strive to achieve perfection and harmony as being inspired by the great Leonardo da Vinci. I would like to end my speech with a very famous quote by the great artist himself. Learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts or never fears and never regrets. Thank you. Have a nice day to you all.
And a hearty welcome to one and all. I, Deepthi Subhash, take immense privilege to don the mantle of mistress title for the school greenhouse called the Mahatma Gandhi House. Thank you for bestowing the responsibility on me and my team members. The color green is indicative of elements like nature and life. It represents growth and harmony and is the color of the environment. Greenhouse is appropriately named Mahatma Gandhi House because of its link to the most natural winner of the world, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. It is indeed a proven fact that Gandhi Ji is the most inspirational and renowned leader whose principles of truth, diversity, vision, and leadership will be the motto of our team too. Gandhi Ji was a gentleman who had a heart full of compassion for people, animals, and nature. Through his actions, leadership, and willpower, he managed to inspire Indian people to join in his non-violence protest and together freed India from British rule. He possessed limitless moral and physical strength. Gandhiji was a person who believed in the dignity of man and left us all the legacy of ahimsa, love, and tolerance. He believed the way people behave is more important than what they achieve. Now it's a time for me to proudly announce my team. Here is our deputy house mistress, Miss Sneha Deshmukh, Miss Priya, Miss Anita, Miss Priyanka, Miss Neha, Miss Aparna, and Miss Janita is also within our team. We and our dear students will be always be ready and rearing to go and will focus our goal towards perfection. We promise to keep the flag of Mount Literacy School Navalur flying high by bringing in accolades and laurels to the school by our super bunch of students. Thank you.
Thank you, house mistresses. Now we have our energetic house mistresses pledging their oath as we move ahead with the investiture ceremony.
Oath taking by our house mistresses. We promise to uphold the honor of the school as a house mistress of our house at all times. We shall exercise our authority in accordance to the guidelines without any fear or prejudice. We shall motivate students to participate through a wide variety of inter-house competitions and co-curricular activities. We shall build trust and confidence in students. We shall guide and mentor the house captain. We shall ensure to offer equal opportunity to all the students. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Thank you, house mistresses. As we are nearing the end of the program, I extend my sincere thanks to the Almighty for making today's event a resounding success. I would like to thank our chairman, Captain Gopinath Dayalan sir. It was his dedication and enthusiasm that gave us the confidence to put up this great show. Also, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our correspondent, Ms. Vijayashanti ma'am, for her valuable inputs throughout the event. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being our pillars of support. I thank our chief guest, Mr. Sudhakar Joshi sir, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be encouraging us in all our future events. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our principal, Ms. Helen Hemalata ma'am, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we also thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support and encouragement. Thank you so much for attending this event. Success comes when preparation meets opportunity. Our young leaders have taken up this opportunity to do small things in a great way today. We wish them all a grand success. As we are at the end of this ceremony, may I now request everyone to get ready for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।